Hi everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to share a single important tip. If you follow, you are going to speak English fantastic and good. The tip is use a mirror. So every single day speak in the front of mirror, because when you speak in the front of mirror you will see your body language, your facial expression, because many times when you speak you realize that your body language is not good, your facial expression is not good. So if you observe very carefully when you speak in the front of mirror, you will see that you are making some mistakes. So next time when you are going to speak something, you can avoid committing those mistakes. So you can do it. And I request you must start speaking in the front of mirror if you want to get great result. Because when I started my journey, I realized that whenever I got a chance, whenever I got a time, I was speaking in the front of mirror a lot. And I realized that in the beginning I was getting very nervous. I was getting very nervous, but I knew very well that the more I'm going to speak in the front of mirror, the better I'm going to speak next time. So you can do it if you want to speak English fantastic and great. Use a mirror. You can actually, I have a big mirror, so whenever I get a chance I try. At least right now I speak in the front of mirror whenever I get a chance, because I realize that when I speak I understand what are the mistakes I'm still committing and how can I improve, how can I do better next time. So I always follow, and you must do it if you want to get good result. And thanks. And if you find my videos are very valuable and great, then subscribe my channel, and that's it.